Under so much pressure, I'm about ready to pop. It's like lightning in a bottle. Lightning in a bottle. Lightning, 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 yeah, lightning.
But you understand the paradox in what you're saying? You cannot experience anything in your life that you don't agree to experience. You are your own reality experience. Everyone is their own reality experience. Everyone is their own unique point of view of all that is. You are, in a sense, really a universe unto yourself.
And I dedicated my entire life to music. But the entire time I was doing this, like my life was dedicated to music, but I thought that music was frivolous. And even though it affects me profoundly, and it affects other people profoundly, and it affects audiences profoundly, I still gave it short shrift. And what they, the neuroscientists, learned is that neurogenesis, this process of creating new neurons, was very much the product of lifestyle choices and cognitive choices. And they learned that you could create billions of neurons a day by eating well, by being optimistic, by having a good social network, by loving the work that you do, by having a spiritual life, by exercising. And the opposite of these things, by smoking, drinking, taking drugs, being isolated, being pessimistic, those things inhibited neuronal growth. That one of the greatest sort of progenitors of neurogenesis, proponents of neurogenesis, was music.
My eyes see electric skies. I believe that I can fly. Take me away from here. The place where the freaks have no fear. Lightning in a bottle. It's like lightning in a bottle. Lightning, 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 yeah, lightning.
Do your best to be the living example that they can then see in you is something that makes you so ecstatic that they will come up to you and say, what makes you so happy? I want to be that happy. Don't buy into the negative side of it, just be the positive living example that they will all want to emulate.
So in tribal cultures, obviously there's phases of initiation. There's the process of separating out from the community, undergoing the necessary